So how to buy crypto in Binance? First, go to binance.com. Click the login button. Then, input your account credentials like email and password. Click login and then slide the security verification window. And since my mobile phone authenticator is on, I'll send a code. And then I have received it on my phone. It's 115044. Now we have successfully logged in to Binance. So now, click on Buy Crypto, P2P Trading. Now we are on the Binance P2P platform. So as we can see, we can buy any cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. So Binance P2P is where you can buy cryptocurrency from other users directly. Binance just facilitates as the middleman of that transaction. So here we can see BTC or Bitcoin and then ETH or Ethereum. But for today, we will buy USDT or US dollar tether. So USDT is actually another cryptocurrency whose value is equal to $1. So 1 USDT is also equal to 1 US dollar. That's why it's called Tether because its value is tethered on the US dollar. So why does Binance do this? Because of laws and regulations in the US, Binance cannot hold people's money. So what they do instead, because they are not allowed to hold other people's money because they are not a bank or brokerage firm, so they issue these cryptos like US dollar tether, so anyone can buy that. Actually, Binance is not the company that issues USDT. It's another third party company. So one USDT is equal to one US dollar. So if you buy one USDT, you can actually reclaim your $1 if you want to. So by doing this, Binance cannot be shut down by the US government because they are not using real money. So it's like Binance is looking for loopholes in the current US regulations. So now, let's actually buy some crypto. Let's scroll down a bit. So here we can see the prices 51.10, 51.15, 51.16 PHP, 51.45. Now I'm just thinking of buying 5,000 pesos worth of USDT. So we can't buy this one, it's 100,000 minimum. This one too, 100,000. That's beyond our what we want to buy. Here it's 10,000. This shows the merchants who place ads on Binance. So let's uncheck this. Okay, so 200 pesos minimum but only 305 maximum. 7,000 minimum. We can actually buy this but it's too narrow of a range. So let's pass on that. This one looks good. 100 pesos minimum and 24,000 maximum. So there's a huge margin. So let's look at his record. 163 orders and 99% completion rate. And Gcash, he accepts Gcash. So it's actually a solid record for the merchant with 99% completion. So you should really look at the completion rate of the merchant in order to avoid getting scammed. So I'll buy 5,000 pesos. So I should receive 98.13 USDT. So I'll click on USD buy USDT. So you should be automatically taken to a new window. So this is the chat window of you and the seller or merchant. So first, let's check if the seller is online, because sometimes the seller is not online and no one will release your coin. So you should really check first if the seller is online, and that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, he's now responded. So he said to proceed. So now I'll make the payment using my Gcash account on my phone. So I'll now transact using my phone to send the money. Okay, the seller has now confirmed that he got the money. So after the seller confirms that he receives the money, we should click the transferred next. Confirm. So the seller should release your coins in 14 minutes and 50 seconds. So as we can see, order completed. So we have successfully bought our first cryptocurrency, which is USDT. So let's click on transfer spot so that afterwards we can, okay, so we can see that the 98.13 USDT is now on our account. So after this, we can now exchange this USDT to any cryptocurrency that we like, be it Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin, whatever you like. So you can exchange that. So thanks for watching. So if this video helped you, please consider liking this video, and also if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you.